Hey everyone, it's Kyle Prolux, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to replace and adjust the straps on any Prolux X8 backpack vacuum cleaner. So stay tuned. Alright, the only tool you're going to need for this job is a handy dandy Phillips head screwdriver. So here we have a harness or strap assembly on a Prolux X8, and let's say somehow one of the straps broke, you got a replacement, but you don't know how to switch them out. Very straightforward. There are only 4 screws. So you can see there's 2 at the bottom right here, and then there's going to be 2 more right there. So all you do is get your screwdriver, and you're just going to remove all 4 screws, set them aside so you don't lose them. Okay, there we go, got the strap assembly off. And then from here you just get your replacement straps onto the vacuum and put those 4 screws in. But something to mention, on the strap assembly where the screws go in, there are going to be 4 holes, so you can either mount the harness up higher or you can keep it at the stock location, but it all depends on personal preference. I usually just like it in the stock location, but there are extra holes on both the top and bottom bracket if you want to move the strap assembly down or up. To put the straps back on, just reverse the process. Make sure you don't over tighten these, because we've been having issues in the past with the 2.0s. They use a similar strap setup, and what people are doing is they're tightening the crap out of these screws, and they're either breaking the bracket the screws go into, or they're actually breaking the actual structure on the back of the vacuum. We've also seen people put in 2-inch wood screws, and that's going to be a big no-no, especially on the 2.0s. All the electrical components are down below, and when they're putting in those long screws, it's penetrating those wires, cutting the wires up, and then once they go to use their vacuum, it doesn't work. And they're also breaking them by putting in these heavy-duty screws that are not needed. So just make sure when you're tightening these screws, you just tighten them hand tight. Once you feel resistance, that's it, that's all you need. And that is how you replace a strap assembly on a Prolux X8. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you need any extra help or assistance, please email us at service@proluxcleaners.com and we'll get you all squared away. If you need replacement straps, check out our website or send us an email and we'll get you all taken care of. Thanks for watching. I'm Kyle with Prolux, and we'll see you in the next one.